Welcome to the new Fuck It series for musical songwriting mastery, video number 2. The first one was C major. This one's going to be D by popular demand. Actually, one person demanded it, but got to start with somewhere. So the idea is you learn something as it is, and then you fuck it. And that's how you begin to master music, especially a recreation of the mind and creating your own sound, your own music, your own style instead of a cookie cutter from what everyone else sounds like. So for this example, by one person popular demand, in the key of D, this is going to be D minor. Last time was C major. We're going to do something in minor. So here's D minor as it is. So that's as it is, slow and then fast, and it sounds pretty cool, but let's make it more musical. Now I'm gonna fuck it. Here it goes. See what I can come up with from the heart. And if you dig this stuff, musicalorgasms.com is my website. Lots of good stuff there. Here we go. See what I did there? Learn something as is, and then you fuck it. Put your fingerprints all over it and make it orgasmic. Hope you enjoyed that. More coming soon, just because this is a lot of fun. Bye for now.